Adding a domain to GoHighLevel allows you to connect your custom domain for landing pages, funnels, and websites. Here's how to add a domain in GoHighLevel. Log into GoHighLevel. First, sign into your GoHighLevel account and navigate to settings from the left sidebar. Go to Domains. In the company settings, select Domains under the branding section. Add new domain. Click on the Add New Domain button to begin the process of adding your custom domain. Enter domain name. Enter your custom domain in the provided field. Verify domain ownership. To connect your domain, you need to verify that you own it. GoHighLevel will provide DNS records that you need to add to your domain's DNS settings via your domain registrar. Log into your domain registrar, navigate to the DNS management section, and add the provided records. Test and save. After adding the DNS records, go back to GoHighLevel and click Verify. If the records are correctly added, your domain will be connected. Once verified, save the changes, and your custom domain is now linked to your GoHighLevel account.